Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can log columns in Excel. In order to log columns in Excel, you have to freeze the column. There is a many option like split or log column. Particular, you have to log. You can log the particular column, so you can log the particular row in Excel. So how you can do this? So let's start with the video. Before you going to start, I am requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Let's start with the video. So here we are, this is my Excel sheet guys. I just made some example data here, you can see. So this is my header. Okay, you can see the my month wise sale I have here, and this is my product name. This is sample product name. So if you want to log the header, this is header sale or a column. So I just, there is a option freeze frame in the Excel. You can use in three way. I will show you. If you go in review, and here you can see the uh, if I go into view, and here you can see the freeze. Okay, so here you can see the freeze panels, one option where you can freeze column and rows at one time, and this option you can freeze rows only, or you can freeze column only, and this time this option. So if you want to use the if I use this option freeze spans and row, so just I have to select where from where I want to freeze. So this is my header, you can see, and this is my product name. So I want to freeze column, one column, a1 columns, and a column. I want to freeze a columns and first row. So just I just need to click here and go to freeze, and I have to click here. So you can see if I scroll down, the above header has been freeze. It is not movable, it is not move, and it is very easy to uh, use. And if I move right left, you can see the first column has been locked, and this is freeze. Okay, so that is how you can freeze column in Excel. Okay, so if I use second option, if I click here, and if I select second option, you can see only rows has been, the rows has been freeze or lock. And if I scroll left and down, so you can see first column, it is not, it is now unlocked. Okay, it is unfreeze now. So the same guys, if you use third option like freeze first column only, just click on, you can see if I go left, move on left to, you can see first column has been freeze now or locked now. So that is how you can freeze columns or lock columns in Excel. So I'm going to show you how you can use split. Okay, so I just unfreeze everything. Okay, I just unfreeze everything. Okay, you can see. So there is a one option where you have to go in view only, and there is a split. Okay, so if I have data in January, February, March, and I want to compare it with September, November, December, October, November, December. Okay, there is some mistake. So I want to match this January, February, March to the October, November, December. So simply I have to split this split this worksheet. So I just go click after the March and click on split. So you can see there is a split margin, a split line has come here. And if I scroll, you can see January, February, March column has been freeze now, log now, and I can usually compare October, November, December, or any other month or data with the this column. Okay, so split is a very important where you can use to compare or check the difference or anything. Okay. If you want to unsplit, just click again, it will be unsplit. And you, if you want to split in fourth pans, you can do this. Just click, select the cell where you, from where, just select the cell from where you want to split with four pans. Just click on cell and just click on split. You can see the now sheet has been split with the four pans. Okay, so that is how you can use or log the columns in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for